Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with a collaboration. It is Sassy Fantasy, BRC Nails, and myself. We are doing an Easter collaboration, and I've got two beautiful colors here. These are by AB Gel. I got these off Amazon a while back. This is A175. It's like a mint green. It's a very pretty color. And the purple, the lavender is 177. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyways, I'm sure this is true to color on the bottle, the top. So we got our pieces here from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. I got me some Pimos, which I added in. Can't remember where I got those. These two came from Tammy's Nail Art, but the bunny here, we got our chicks, our ladybug, and our dragonflies, are all in the flowers as well. Can't forget these flowers. They are UV activated. Let me pop them in so I can show them to you. They're UV activated. They turn this beautiful orangish, yellowish orange color. So we're going to be putting these on the nails. I'm going to be holding them on with some top coat that way. You can pop them off to save them if you would like to. Oh, they're not changing yet. I didn't leave them in long enough. Let me flip it over or something. Ah. And anyways, these flowers, which are upside down, they are UV activated. You will see on the nails. We're going to do these one nail at a time. Had this all planned out, now I'm just like a brain fart. Can't remember what I had wanted to go where. Then we'll put my Easter bunny in the center. So I'm going to get me some top coat to completely cover your nail. These nails also I got from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. She doesn't carry the square anymore, I don't think. I'm not 100%. I will leave that down below. Across the bottom of the screen so I can let you know. I'll check that. I know she's got the coffin and stiletto. I couldn't think. Gotta have some Easter eggs. So I'm going to get my little flashlight here. I'm going to do this around the bunny to hold it, into place. Let me do my eggs first. So I want to hold the Easter bunny in place. I probably should use rhinestone glue. It's definitely what you want to use, rhinestone glue or regular glue, if you are trying to actually really wear these on your nails to hold them on better. Top coat's only going to hold them on momentarily because you can pop them right off. So let me stick this in the lamp. Oops. Gonna give it a cure. I'm gonna move on to one of our other nails. Decisions. Put some sweet treats. Buddy. Then you have to get the flashlight. Try to give this a flash cure to see if it will hold. Just until I can get it into the lamp. Remember, when using your lights, do not look directly in. Do not look directly into the light. It can really hurt your eyes. So, do that. Give it a flash cure, so to speak. Pop it into the lamp, give it a full cure. What color deal was that? Oh shoot. I think I am going to use some rhinestone glue. Let me pause just a sec. Alrighty, I'm back. I've got the nails in the lamp. They are top coated, so those are curing. I'm going to bring them back out. We're going to finish putting our little duckies, our dragonflies, flowers, ladybug, and our other sweet treat on the nails. So they should be out momentarily. We got our rhinestone glue. It's by Model Ones. You can also find that on Amazon. Down in the comments, the first comment will be pinned. It's going to be a playlist where you can find the links to Sassy's and Brandy BRC Nails, to their videos. I'd greatly appreciate if you'd go give them a watch. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. We're going in for this nail here on the ring finger. We're going to put our sweet treat there. I'm going to get, whoopsie, I got stuff falling about. I'm going to give this a flash cure. Do it on both sides, that way it's going to hold it for a little bit before you can stick it in the lamp. Just enough to harden it. Just enough. Whoops. So I'm going to get my top coat back over here. I'm going to put me some down here. I'm going to put me a couple Easter eggs. Then I'm going to pop her in the lamp. Give her a full cure. Okay, now we're back to the thumb and the pinky. Get our dotting tool back over here. Alrighty. So harden these just a second, give them a flash cure. Then I'll be sticking these in the lamp as well. But I do want to add some more top coat. And again, these are the UV flowers you can get off of the rcnailstipsxpieces.com. There's a cloud over here. Couple more flowers. These flowers are really, really super cute. Alrighty, I'm going to pop this in the lamp as well. Give that a full cure. Alright, now what are we going to do here? Let me see. Let me get my ladybug. I'm gonna give her a flash cure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and any important information that may come along. Oh, we got a little bit of a dribble. Okay. Where is it? Takes a lot of flash cure these and stick them in the lamp. Sorry, but we gotta make sure they're not gonna run away, you know, from it. Run away from us. Alrighty. There we go. We give this a flash cure as well. I think I'm going to add some of the flowers on this nail. I'll get the top coat out again. Top coat around the dragonflies. There we go. Whoopsie. Check to make sure which way the flowers are going. Alright, this one I'm just going to pop in the lamp. So let me clean our mess up, let the nails cure, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. The lamp is on its last few seconds. Trying to straighten my mat here. Here's where we stand so far. We are waiting for the last two nails in the lamp as I speak. And here we go. Just to be careful with the Kawaiis. Oh, here we go. Here are our nails, our finished product, straight out of the lamp. See how the colors change on the flowers, the UV. They're not white anymore. They have kind of a peach accent to them. I think it's pretty cool, but I think this is really cute. I love how it turned out. These are all considered Kawaii, K-A-W-A-I-I, Kawaii, which I think are really cool. I'm really into these now. Before Brandy being an ambassador of her company, I had never heard of such items, so she has definitely brightened my eyes and opened a new door to me. And I have fallen in love with these charms. They're giant charms for the nails, and I think they are oh so cute. She's got some new ones coming out that I cannot wait to see and to use. So, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I think these are really super cute. Go check out Sassy's and Brandy's BRC Nails. Check out their videos. See what they came up with. Leave them a comment. If you haven't already subscribed to them, please do so. That's it for this video. We will see you in our next collaboration. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.